Today's video has been a super fun job of dressing up my entryway with a summer fresh feel.
This video is in part of a challenge hosted by Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. She has a fantastic fun channel with tons of helpful videos. Our second hostess is the Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa Coward. This lady has so many smart videos on help around every part of the home. I've included both of our hostess channel links along with a playlist link for this summer refresh in the description box. This is a setup of some of the items that I will be using in my entryway refresh. Because it is a summery farmhouse look, I've gone with the color scheme of black, white, and accented by yellow. Very fresh, very summery. Here we have some greenery that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I will be using these ferns. And here we have a really cute basket that I thrifted a couple of years ago. And I love this basket. Love hanging it on the wall. I always fill it with greenery or floral. And then I have here this wonderful rooster weather vane. It has its own little stand. And I love this little guy. I purchased him a couple of years ago also at the store. I believe it's called At Home. Not Home Goods, At Home. And this large metal basket, I will be using this large wire basket for catching any shoes that come in that front door. I like it because it doesn't take up a lot of space visually because it is wire and you can see through it. So it is there without being a large object. And because of this whole, the metal, the wire, and the straw detail, I feel like that gives it a farmhouse look. And I've never used it before at the front door, so I'm excited to bring this into this area. And I did purchase this about 2 years ago also at, I believe, Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. I really can't remember. It was one of those two. And I bought a whole set of these. And here we have a summer bonnet that you've got to have for summer, and she will be going in the entryway also. I thrifted her. And then I have these cute pillows. Here's the one in the back. I will be using this on a bench that I have in the entryway. And these two came from the garden department at Walmart for only like $5 each. So I will be excited to use those. And then I have this little level that I like to use in my decorating. It gives a little added height for decorating, and also it helps to define an actual space to create a vignette. And I can't remember, maybe Walmart I bought this at. And this will go in. I'm gonna have a lot of floral and greenery in my reveal. And this white candle. This candle, I showed this in another video, and it is linked up with this lantern. I will place that link down in my description box. But I took this candle, it was white, and then through age, because I've had it for years, it's a decorative, so I never burn it. It has yellowed. It has completely yellowed. So I thought, you know what? I'm not going to throw this away because since it is decorative, I will simply chalk paint it. So I chalk painted it. As you can see, there's the bottom. I chalk painted it, but it is in that video where I placed it here, and I did it for a spring entryway, and I dressed it up. So, and I did use some of this greenery that will go back in it, but I had other floral and stuff. But this will go back into my entryway, because this is the kind of thing that you can, the way I've set this up is I will be using this all the time. I will just dress this up differently with each season. And if I do an entryway refresh for every season, then I will show how I dress this up. But I love the option of having something there that is simple to change out and looks so lovely and exciting when you change it up with different floral. So, but this will be for my summer floral. The rest of the decor that I will be placing in my entryway will be things that I'm going to craft, and I've decided to place the making of all those crafts in a separate video because there is just so much of it. I wanted to mainly focus on this video in the reveal portion of what it all looks like once I put it all together. But no worries, just be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and be sure and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted as soon as I have that video out, which will be coming up shortly. I will have the video out of the making of several of the crafts that I will be revealing to you in just a moment. I need a rug, so I purchased several from Dollar Tree to create this large farmhouse style rug. I love having a shopping bag ready at the door, so I found this at Dollar Tree, but this design doesn't match, so I transformed it into this, and now it's summer fresh ready. I created this mini banner with the intention of changing out decor, and I've come up with some really cute touches for a summer fresh feel. This beautiful sunflower arrangement was created in my farmhouse summer decor video, and it fits perfectly in my entryway. I love floral decor, so I've crafted a summertime floral wreath with touches of farmhouse style. I'm placing my wreath over an antique window I created on my DIY antique window video. The bright floral and lemons bring out a summertime feel. This cute toolbox turned organization caddy is so helpful at my door, but needs a change from my spring theme, so I'll simply give it a distressed finish. Hand sanitizer is so important right now, and having it at the door is handy. Making it look cute is even better. I have several trays, but my problem is, where do I store them all? I've solved this problem by turning this tray into decor when it's not in use. This adorable luau sign from Dollar Tree will be transformed from tropical decor to farmhouse rustic. Now to clean. After sweeping, I'm using my new mop system I purchased from Amazon, and I love the easiness and the no-touch mopping. I've provided the link below in the description box. The entry is now cleared out and cleaned out and ready for my decor. As you can see, I have plenty of wall space, and our coat rack is so handy. I have this lovely feature wall and a small shelf my husband installed. He is my handy man. and he also installed the coat rack. I'll be using this large hook and my little bench will stay. I love how this rug turned out, and I love how perfectly it covers the area. This umbrella stand is a project in a previous video, and I love how it fits in perfectly with my decor. I arranged my rooster weather vane, hand sanitizer, and boxwood plant on the small riser. I placed a piece of cream burlap along the shelf. The organizer has its hooks and is ready for mail. And here's my adorable vignette on the right, my mini banner, my sunflower arrangement, and I had to sneak in an angel from a previous video. I removed the teal roses from my arrangement. On the feature wall, I've hung the faux antique window and my summertime wreath. This is my favorite piece in this collection. Over my coat rack, I've hung my rustic home banner. My shopping bag is ready to head out the door. I've added these sweet daisies along with some greenery for another summertime touch. And my hat is also ready for the sun. My shoe basket allows the space around it to be seen but is still functional. My sweet bee and plaid pillows complement the decor. On the long wall, my happy place tray adds that farmhouse touch, and the basket of ferns adds a lush, clean feel to the space. The lantern simply has boxwood greenery and a candle, but I love the clean, fresh look. Now here is the space in full presentation, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by, and if you liked my entryway, please give me a thumbs up like. Please subscribe, and don't forget I'll be providing a tutorial video for all these crafts very soon. I've included both of our hostess channel links in the description box, along with a playlist link that takes you to all the wonderful videos that have been prepared for this summer refresh. Don't miss out on all these wonderful videos and help us support these talented YouTubers. Until the next video, have a great day.